Hey everyone, this product was sent to me by the brand for the purposes of this video. So if you like that handmade textured paper look for crafts, this mulberry paper is a really good option. It's made from natural plant fibers, so it has that slight texture that you can actually feel. It comes in a pack of 100 sheets and they're A4 size, so you got plenty of space to do whatever you're working on. The paper is very thin. I like that it's still easy to work with. You can fold it, cut it, and it doesn't feel like it's going to rip. So overall, I would recommend this product to anyone that's into calligraphy, origami, scrapbooking, or card making. You can even use this as gift wrap paper. Hopefully this video helps you make an informed decision about this product. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.